Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a plan with me challenge type video. I'm going to challenge myself to plan my entire week using this $1 sticker book that I got from Michael's. I am loving the colors, the characters are cool, and I won't be talking through this video, so I will see you guys at the end, and I hope you guys enjoy this. So that wraps it up for this plan with me challenge video using this $1 sticker book. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more content like this, please thumbs up this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so you will get notified when I upload a video on YouTube. And that wraps it up. If I left anything out, please check the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.